Welcome, welcome! This video will teach you the easiest and best way to the corporate social responsibility and citizenship page in Glo-Bus, the business simulation game. Here is that page. It has 6 decisions. These decisions cause earnings to move to image rating, which means that everything is a trade-off of EPS to image. For example, if this team does the renewable energy program, their earnings per share changes from $1.01 to 99 cents, a move of 2 cents, and their image rating goes up by 1 point. That's a ratio of 2 cents per image point. Or again, for this team, on this round, if they do the green initiatives, their earnings per share changes from $1.01 to 79 cents, and their image rating goes up by 2 points. That's a ratio of 11 cents of EPS per image point. Testing each initiative, we can see which of the initiatives are better than others, and we can choose which ones make sense for that year's build. Now we need to consider an extremely important idea of corporate social responsibility and citizenship called image point escalation. The amount of benefit that a player gets from CSRC initiatives goes up over time. It's about consistency, and Glo-Bus doesn't make it easy for you to see this effect. Here is where they mention it on the CSRC initiatives page, but the real effect can only be seen in the camera and drone journal after playing for many years. Which means that if you start doing a CSRC initiative, keep doing it. So to summarize, here are the important takeaways. There are really only just 2. Tip 1. Judge everything on an EPS per image point basis. Don't spend too much per image point because you can always buy market share to get more image instead. Tip 2. Your customers and staff will reward you for being consistent. Don't jerk them around. If you have done a CSRC initiative in the past, keep doing it for the rest of the game so that your image points will escalate. If you like this video, please let us know below. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.